Critical library mismatch involving the win32u DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. Get the professional win32u fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the win32u. This library functions as a win32 user mode system called stub, acting as the bridge between user mode applications and the kernel-mode win32k.dll subsystem. It exposes low-level entry points for GDI and window management operations. Because it sits at the boundary between user space and kernel rendering paths, faults here can destabilize graphics-heavy software. Crashes often surface as entries like faulting module path, win32u.dll, especially in browsers and games performing hardware-accelerated rendering. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Win32u is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scannow to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the win32u file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of win32u.dll unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes win32u references. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got win32u working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.